mini mathematicians, welcome back. Last time we learned what regrouping in subtraction means. Today we will solve different examples of two-digit subtraction with regrouping. Let's get started. Example 1, 72 minus 39. Step 1. Start with ones place. We cannot subtract 9 from 2, so we need to regroup 110 from the tens place. After regrouping, we add 10 ones to the 2, so it becomes 12. The small one is written to the left of the 2 to show the regrouped 10. Cut the tens and write new tens. Since we took 1/10 from the 7, it becomes 6. Now 12 minus 9 equals 3. Write 3 in the ones column. Next step is subtract tens. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Write 3 in the tens column. So 72 minus 39 equals 33. Example 2, 95 minus 46. Step 1. Start with ones place. We cannot subtract 6 from 5, so we regroup 110 from the tens place. The 5 becomes 15 and the 9 becomes 8 tens. Now 15 minus 6 equals 9. Write 9 in the ones column. Now what is the next step? Subtract tens. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Write 4 in the tens column. So 95 minus 46 equals 49. That's all for today, kids. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mini Mathematician. Bye bye, kids.